bonfire night.
Yeah.
And it's not looking that great outside. We tidied the garden yesterday because my mum and her partner are coming round, and my brother, to do a fire and to light some fireworks. But I'm not sure if it's going to start raining because it looks a bit grey and dull out there. I really hope it doesn't because I've been looking forward to it. I've been looking forward to tonight.
Mom.
But me and Isaac, what are we doing today?
Giving a cupcake.
Oh, we're going to make some cakes, aren't we? Ready for tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you picked it all by yourself, didn't you?
I've done cupcake.
Yeah, you've been putting some bun cases down. What did you just eat? You big scruff bag.
It's just cereal.
It's just what?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Yeah.
It's just cereal. So, we bought this ahoy there pirate fairy cake mix, and it says makes 12 fairy cakes. You just add 1 egg and some water. So I bought this because that'd be really easy for Isaac to do.
Let's make it.
Yeah, let's make some cakes. Let's make some cakes. Let's make some yummy cakes.
Hey.
Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Here. You put them in.
Will that go in that one?
Yeah, you put them all in. All of them.
That one go on that one?
Yeah, you just put them all in. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
You're good at doing this. Last one. Wow, well done. Right, now we've got to move up there. We need to get our bowl.
We have a bowl. We have our mixing spoon. The first thing we do, add cake mix.
Right, so pick up this one, pour it in there. We need to pour all that cake mix in there. Well done. Is it all out? Good boy.
Next we have egg.
That's it. Pour it all in. Well done.
Next we add water.
Whoa, well done.
Mix it all together.
Do some good mixing.
Strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning.
Okay, it's done.
We've got to put these in the oven now, buddy, while you enjoy licking that spoon and that bowl. So we've got to wait 12 to 15 minutes for them cakes to be done. And while them cakes are cooking, I decided to do some hot chocolate for tonight to keep us nice and warm while we're outside. Well, the fire will keep us warm as well, but you can't beat hot chocolates, can you? So I'm going to be making some hot chocolates, and I decided to do the slow cooker recipe, and it looked really nice. Hot chocolates looked really nice and creamy, and they just look delicious. For this recipe, I am going to be adding cocoa powder and some hot chocolate. And then you want to take your wooden spoon and just give it a mix. Give it a nice, good mix. I'm looking forward to that yummy hot chocolate. I just need to tidy up now because I've made a bit of a mess everywhere. It's the only thing when you do stuff like this, you end up making too much of a mess. There we go. Cupcakes all finished, or buns, whatever you want to call them. Although the icing sugar ended up being really, really watery, even though I put the right amount of water that I should have done in it. But never mind, I'm sure they'll taste delicious later on.
A few moments later.
Everyone's here now and Dad's about to start the bonfire.
I'll move back.
Putting more petrol on. What's that metal bit for? Alright.
For this. Brace yourself, peeps.
Didn't do out. Yay! Fire! Yay! Need to get a little one going now.
We need some wood chopping up for that.
I know. Need to get the wood. Need to get the wood going. That's for toasting marshmallows.
Burn that plastic out, isn't it?
So everyone's back home and everyone is now at our house. I've got me, John, the kids, obviously, and there's my mum, her partner, and my brother Jack coming. And we've got lots of yummy food, and John's just done the bonfire. I put it in the clip with all this, and is about to go and get some more wood to go in, and we've got a little one so we can toast some marshmallows, which is going to be fun. But we're just cooking the tea. So we've got some yummy food. We've got pot pies, mushed peas, chopped potatoes. My mum's made a gingerbread. Yum, can't wait.
It's true.
Dad's going to do a sparkler for you.
What, there?
Alright. Woo!
What's the sparkler? Right, walk forward once you've got it. Walk forward. Walk forward once you've got it. Right, remember not to...
Just hold the end of it, don't touch the end, okay?
Does anyone else want one? Jack can have one. Come here, Isaac.
You got a sparkler, chicken?
Yeah.
Well done. Come on, do it gently though.
Elliot, go on path, buddy.
It'll burn you, very dangerous. Right, yeah, well done, Isaac.
Oh, Uncle Jack's doing a big circle. Too many lights going on so my camera won't focus. What is it, buddy?
Some light painting.
Wow.
It's figuring out how to do those.
Oh, these two are eating the tea all nicely. What you got? Peas. You can't see very well in the dark, but you've got pot pie and mushy peas with mint sauce on.
Yeah.
Is that nice sat in front of the fire, buddy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a good fire.
I know that fire.
Yeah, is it nice sat there looking at the fire? Oh, looks yummy. I can't wait to have mine, I'm starving.
You're not eating here.
Oh, lots of fireworks. Yeah, he's got that box up there. Catherine wheel. Everyone's setting up the chairs. Drinking a nice hot chocolate.
Look how flat it is at the edge, whereas this one,
Oh, yummy.
it's right big and fat all the way through, look.
Yeah, there's some gingerbread.
It smells of fish.
Smells of fish.
Apparently the gingerbread smells of fish.
Oh, I haven't had a piece yet. Which piece shall I get? No, don't touch it all. I'm going to have this piece because I like corners, although it's a bit thin.
Right, get sparklers back out.
Woo! Oh, that's better.
Mummy!
Yeah, was that a nice one?
Yeah.
It's gonna go. Woo!
Whoa! Yay!
Yay! Wow, it's a smoky one. The washing line did way. Woo! That's a good one. Yay!
Right, what should we do now, Jack?
Oh, this one's a pretty one. Woo!
Next one.
Oh, it's got stuck.
Oh, another stuck.
Hey! Oh, it got stuck.
It's the noise it makes. It's like.
Ooh,
Well,
look
that
at the
looks good on
fire.
the video.
It does, doesn't it?
What was sticking out?
Look at that, it's licking out at the front. It's trying to get Alana.
Like an afterbird of a jet aeroplane.
Have two, Anna.
Oh, it's nice and warm though. To warm my legs up.
I don't like this.
Very good. Look at Jack's making a massive circle.
Don't show up on the camera when it goes round like that. It just shows it a little bit.
Can you do it, Isaac?
Lots of sparklers going off. Watch where you're putting your fingers.
You don't sparkle as much as they used to do. They used to be really quite noisy
Yeah.
and sparkle a lot. We always used to do it outside.
Do it where?
Hey?
Do it where?
Inside the house.
Why?
My dad used to let it light inside.
Wow, just be careful then.
They're hot.
Out of the fire.
Jiffy.
Mmm. Is that a nice marshmallow? Yummy, yummy. We like roasting marshmallows, don't we?
Finished.
Just be careful, Alana, because your stick will be hot, remember.
Mine's on fire.
That nice, buddy? Yeah.
Which makes the best ones pinks or whites?
I don't know. I think they're both the same.
Mine's just on the same one.
Marshmallow
Mine's just on the same.
in.
It doesn't matter.
I'll give it. You were all crispy on the outside. So you get those embers are what you need for
Amelia.
marshmallows.
Go right up the side, Elliot. There's not much room here.
Just a marshmallow without the burn bit. It's all melted.
Is it hot?
I don't know.
What's wrong? So we've had a super fun evening doing our little bonfire night outside with the fires and the fireworks. Loads of people still setting fireworks off. John just put the kids to bed. I'm making a coffee. I'll go say the night to him and then I'm getting to bed because I'm tired and my back is absolutely killing me. What did you all do for bonfire night? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on Friday at 6 PM.